안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today I will introduce another very popular regional food from Busan, South Korea called Busan BiBim DangMyeon in Korean. Please watch this video to the end, like it and subscribe to my channel. Special thanks go to Shinyeonggwak for supporting me on Patreon. First, let's make some amazing sauce. So put the hot pepper paste, gochujang, the hot pepper powder, 고춧가루, sugar, 설탕, water, 물, sesame oil, 참기름, vinegar, 식초, minced garlic, 다진 마늘, and sesame seed. 참깨 into a small mixing bowl. Mix everything together and set it aside while preparing the other ingredients. This is Korean cellophane noodles, which are called 당면. They are basically made from potatoes or sweet potato starch and water. Add the Korean cellophane noodles into boiling water and cook for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare 4 different toppings such as fried fish cakes, pickled radish, seasoned dried labor, and spinach. Cut the pickled radish, 단무지, into 1.5 inch long thin strips. Cut the fried fish cakes, 어묵, into a 1.5 inch long thin strips. And then add cooking oil in a heated pan and fry the fish cakes for about 3 minutes on medium-high. For the next topping, put the salt, 소금, and the spinach, 시금치, into 4 cups of boiling water. Cook for about 30 seconds on medium-high. Then immediately rinse the cooked spinach in cold water several times and squeeze out the water. You will get about half cup of cooked spinach. If your spinach is too long, roughly cut it few times like this. Finally, cut the seasoned dried labor, 양념김, into a similar size as the pickled radish and fish cakes with scissors, chewy. By now, the cellophane noodles will be done cooking. So, rinse the noodles in cold water and then drain out the water. Cut the noodles with scissors if needed like this. Season the noodles with the soy sauce, 간장, and the sesame oil. Now everything is ready to serve, but since this recipe is for 2 servings, I will divide all the ingredients in half to serve. On a wide-bottomed plate or bowl, put the noodles and place the topping ingredients on top of the noodles like this. This is very colorful and looks appetizing. Put half of the sauce in the center of the bowl. For the final touch, sprinkle some sesame seed on top. Mix all the ingredients with the sauce just before eating it. The cold chewy noodles, along with the various flavors from the toppings and the spicy sauce, make for a great noodle dish. Try this Busan BiBim DangMyeon recipe someday, and if you do, take some pictures and share them with me on Facebook or Instagram, because I love to see your food pictures. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye!